Hey, hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about document design mode property with HTML. So the document dot design mode is basically a property which exists under the document and which describe us whether the entire document is editable or not. So under the document there is a property is the design mode and which takes the value as on or off. So it contains only two values, on or off. So whenever the value is off, which means you cannot edit that whole document, and if that value is on, which means you can edit that whole document, or even if you can say the document is editable. So the like the benefit of this design mode is in the runtime or in the browser you can edit the whole document and you can see the value in it. So in the screen you can see I just took a sample HTML page. So even if you can take any like any other page also, so just right click on that particular page and click on inspect, or even if you can go to the developer tool, and also you can press F12 also. Okay, and after that just go to the console, and here you can see the document. Okay, so if I press enter, now you can see here all the document properties and everything. So we don't need a whole property, so let me just use the design mode. Okay, so now you can see here this design mode is a property which is present under the document, and if I press enter, then its value is off. So by default the design mode value is off. Now let me just enable that design mode. So now as the value is off, so now in the screen you can see here I cannot edit any of the like any of the value in it. Okay, now let me just enable the design mode to on, or even if I can say that let me just enable the whole the document. So I need to just give equal to and on. Now if I press enter, now the design mode is on, which means I can edit this document. Okay, now here you can see in the screen, let me just remove file. Okay, now as the design mode is on, so I can do that. If the design mode is off, I cannot modify that value. So even if I can remove it also, the whole content is okay, and I can write some other content also, like sample HTML, anything. Okay, now if I change it again to the design mode off, then I cannot do that again. Okay, now I cannot edit it again. Okay, so by using the design mode we can edit that whole HTML file. Not only HTML file, you can edit the any of the document in the browser. So basically there are two values exist under the design mode, on and off, and you can use only inside the browser. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you.